I believe that most of our patients with refractory urinary tract dysfunction, they have like a higher burden related to the disease. The negative impact on quality of life is something that is quite clear in the clinical practice. So the Sacral Neuromodulation workshop brings a unique opportunity for the attendants to learn more about the practical aspects of the procedure, not only about patient selection, ideal lead placement, but also to look at in detail to some of the clinical characteristics that can bring some important insights for better understanding that patients with combined bladder and bowel dysfunction, for instance, will be candidates for such a line of treatment. I truly believe that the Sacral Neuromodulation workshop would be important for multidisciplinary care due to the fact all the professionals involved with the treatment of refractory urinary tract dysfunctions, including OAB, for instance, should have a clear picture of the treatment options that we have available nowadays. So not only for physicians, but also for physiotherapists, for nurses that are involved in the care of these patients. And the healthcare professionals are truly important to get information from the patients that are relevant to better understand the impact of the urinary tract symptoms and bowel symptoms, the pelvic floor disorders, such as the bladder diaries, which could be used more frequently in the clinical practice. And unfortunately, we should still nowadays increase the awareness of the importance of these non-invasive assessment tools, not only the questionnaires, but also the bladder diaries, which are highly recommended by the International Continence Society for the assessment of such a patient. The ICS Annual Congress is truly unique. You cannot miss it. You look at the program, you look at the speakers, you look at the panels, you look at the multidisciplinary view. If you take a closer look to all the points that are being carefully prepared by the ICS office and the ICS Board of Trustees and all the committees, you cannot miss that. This is special.